Alrighty, easy today. Let's do this. Summary. Time complexity. Space complexity. Alright, you're given a zero index array of words and a character x, returning the array of indices representing the words that contain the character x. Note that the return array can be any order. An array of indices representing the words that contain. Oh, okay. This is more like a. Do you know how to do basic stuff in Python or whatever language you're using? Actually, I don't even know. Okay, I do know. I do need to have n here. If this was just like a loop that went through every value of the array rather than the indices of the array, then I would have a for each loop and not need to worry about the indexing when I go through the loop. But here, it's going to go for every index in the range of n. If the words at that index, which is the value, contains, actually, so in Python it's just x in words at index. Then the answer appends this index, and then you return the answer array. And then you submit. Okay, dokie. Summary. So, go through each index value pair of the array words. In Python, can check if a character is in the string using in. So like as so example x in word. In other languages it's other, so like I know in Java this would be use contains, I think. It'd be words dot contains x returns the same result. But anyways, use if statement with that condition and add index to answer array if true, and then return answer array. So time complexity, this is just going to be, this is interesting. It's kind of like O of n times, so this is not a trivial computation. This is not like a constant time computation. If you were to find a character, when a character is inside a word, that's that's almost like you need to go through every letter of that word, right? To check to see if that character's there. So it's O of n times, I don't know, O of w, where w is the average word length, in order to check if x exists or is contained in that kind of set string. Yeah, you're almost checking for that. But, I mean, I don't know. It's pretty darn fast, right? And then space complexity, this is going to be O of 1. No extra data structures needed, data storage is needed. Note here that the answer array is necessary to be returned, so it's not, doesn't count. Yep, that's it. I actually am going to try to solve that one problem that I missed for my streak, but I'm not sure I'm going to stream it. But I'll try it.